Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall a site which was previously installed as an application. Let's dive into the demonstration. This is the application that we had installed in the previous video. Now, in order to uninstall this application, just go to these three dots and click on uninstall. Now, it's asking, do you want to really uninstall this application? Please note that by clicking on this tick box, you give a permission that you want to delete the data associated with this site, which might contain that whether you are logged in or not. In case you don't want to get logged out of the application, then keep it as such. Otherwise, give a tick. For now, I don't want to delete the data associated with this application. So I will give it unticked. Now, in order to uninstall, just hit uninstall. The app has been uninstalled. Thanks for watching.